Hello, how to solve 4 raised to power 11 minus 2 without using a calculator. So to solve this, solution, the question is 4 raised to power 11 minus 2. Now, 4 can be written as 2 squared, right? So in place of 4, we'll bring in 2 squared. So that will become in bracket 2 raised to power 2 or raised to power 11, then minus 2. So with this, right, at this junction, there's a rule that if you have a raised to power b power of c, this equals a raised to power b times c. So applying this rule right here, we have it that 2, then power 2 multiply 11, 2 times 11 is 22, then minus 2. So the next thing is to simplify 2 raised to power 22. And to do so, we can express 22 as 20 plus 2. So that will become 2 raised to power 20 plus 2, then minus 2. So with this, at this junction, there's a rule that if you have a raised to power n plus m, this equals a raised to power n times a raised to power m. So applying this rule right here, what we then have is 2 raised to power 20 times 2 raised to power 2, then minus 2. Shows that 2 raised to power 20 times 2 squared is 4, then minus 2. So from here, we need to simplify 2 raised to power 20. And how do we go about it? Now we can express 20 as 10 times 2. So 2 raised to power 10 times 2, then times 4, then minus 2. Now there's a rule that if you have a raised to power b times c, this can be written as a raised to power b power of c. So applying this rule right here, what we then have is this, that we have 2 raised to power 10, then power of 2, then times 4, then minus 2. So from here, we need to get the value of 2 raised to power 10. So let us solve this right here. So 2 raised to power 10 is equal to 2 raised to power 5 times 2. And this can be written as in bracket 2 raised to power 5 power of 2. Now 2 raised to power 5 from here is equal to 32. And 32 squared is equal to 1024. So that means that 2 raised to power 10 is equal to 1024. So in place of 2 power of 10, we'll bring in 1024 all raised to power 2, then times 4, then minus 2. So from here, we need to simplify the value of 1024 squared. And how do we go about it? We can write 1024 as 1000 plus 24. So 1000 plus 24 all squared times 4, then minus 2. Now looking at this right here, this is in the form of a plus b all squared. And if you have a plus b all squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And in this case, the value of a is equal to 1000 and b is equal to 24. So b is equal to 24. Now expanding 1000 plus 24 squared in this form, a squared becomes 1000 squared, right, plus 2 times a is 1000 times b is 24 plus b squared, that will become 24 all squared. Such that from here, we have it as 1000 squared is 1,103,456. Then plus 2 times 1000 times 24 is equal to 48,000 plus 24 squared is equal to 24 times 24, and that will give us 576. And in this case, okay, let's then add up 1 million plus 48,000 plus 576. So 1 million 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 48,000 plus 576. That will be equal to 0 plus 0 plus 6 is equal to 6. 0 plus 0 plus 7 is 7. 0 plus 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 8, 8. 0 plus 4, 4. Then we have 0. Then we have 1. So we have this, that we have 1048,576. So we have 1,048,576. But that is not all. Don't forget that the value of 1024 squared gave us 1048,576. Then we need to multiply it by 4 and then subtract it by 2 to get our final answer. So we got this from here. We got the value of this to be 1048,576, right? Then the next thing is to multiply it by 4. So times 4 and then subtract by 2. Now let's first do this right here. Okay, so we have 1048,576 multiplied by 4. What will be the value? Now 4 times 6 is equal to 24. So write down 4 and then 2. 4 times 7 is 28. Then plus 2 is 30. Write down 0. Then carry 3. 4 times 5 is 20. Plus 3, 23. Write down 3. Then carry 2. 4 times 8, 32. Plus 2, 34. So write down 4. Then carry 3. Okay, 4 times 4 is 16. Plus 3 is 19. So 9. Carry 1. 4 times 0 is 0. Then plus 1. 4 times 1 is 4. So that means that the value that we got when we multiplied 1048,576 times 4, we got the value to be 4194304. But that is not the final answer. It remains to subtract it with 2. So minus 2. Now from here, if you subtract 4194304, then minus 2, you will get 4194302. And this is the final answer of the value of 4 raised to power 11 minus 2. And we did not use a calculator to solve this. So with this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.